Chord Qutest Review. Chord Qutest DAC cuts the cost of audiophile-grade digital decoding. If you want to make the most of your digital music collection, it makes sense to invest in a decent DAC, digital analog converter. While DACs are commonplace, you'll find them in any digital audio device with an analog output. Most aren't up to the challenge of procuring the best audio. The majority sound perfectly adequate, but there can be big sonic gains to be had when using a standalone DAC purpose-built to restore digital music to something akin to its original analog waveform. Chord Electronics Qutest at Amazon for $1,895. UK hi-fi outfit Chord Electronics is renowned for its innovative DACs. This is because the company doesn't buy off-the-shelf solutions, it designs its own from the ground up. The Qutest can be found at the higher end of the DAC market, and as part of Chord's Hugo range is a direct replacement for the 2CUTE. It's expensive, certainly, but as it mirrors tech found in the brand's step-up Hugo 2 which sells for twice as much, it can genuinely be construed as one of the best bargains in high-end audio. Design. Rather compact, the Qutest measures a convenient 41x160x72mm, H/W/D, and features a beautiful brushed aluminium case, with characteristic infinity stone-style LED selectors. The quality of finish is dreamy. Up top is a glass porthole with a color-coded sample rate indicator. Red indicates 44.1 kHz PCM data, with colors cycling as the sample rate rises. This rainbow interface may look fun but it's not particularly intuitive. Input selection is also color-coded, with the polycarbonate input selection button glowing white for USB, yellow and red for the two BNC coaxials, and green for optical. The brightness of its LEDs can be altered between high and low by pressing the filter and input buttons simultaneously, just as well, as in a dark room it's as festive as a Christmas tree. Thankfully, despite its high-end aspirations, there's really not much involved in setting up. Once powered, the Qutest goes through a short initialization routine, and then you're good to go. Features. The Qutest offers wide-ranging sample support. A USB Type-B handles PCM up to 32-bit 768 kHz, or DSD 512. There's a 24-bit 192 kHz optical digital audio input, plus two BNC coaxials, which stretch to 24-bit 384 kHz, or 768 kHz in parallel dual data mode. The latter can be used with Chord's M-Scaler CD upscaler, which has a matching dual data output. Used